Welcome to our channel. If Netflix isn't working on your Roku, it can be a real hassle. Whether you're stuck on a loading screen, receiving error messages, or experiencing buffering, don't worry. We've got 8 effective fixes to help you get Netflix up and running again on your Roku device. Check your internet connection. A poor internet connection is one of the most common reasons Netflix won't work on Roku. Check your Wi-Fi connection or try connecting to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. You can test your network speed by running an internet speed test. Restart your Roku device. A quick restart can often resolve minor glitches. Press the home button on your Roku remote, go to Settings, System, Restart, and select Restart. This will reboot the device and may fix the Netflix issue. Restart your router/modem. If restarting your Roku doesn't help, try restarting your router or modem. Unplug it for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for the connection to stabilize. Once your internet is back up, check if Netflix is working. Check for Netflix server outages. Sometimes, Netflix itself might be down due to server issues. Visit websites like Down Detector or check Netflix's official Twitter account to see if there are any ongoing outages. If Netflix is down, you'll have to wait for the service to restore. Sign out and sign back into Netflix. Sometimes, logging out of Netflix and signing back in can fix issues with the app. Go to the Netflix app, open the Settings menu, and select Sign Out. Then, sign back in with your credentials. Update Roku software. Outdated software on your Roku can cause problems with apps like Netflix. To check for updates, go to Settings, System, System Update, and select Check Now. If an update is available, install it and restart your Roku. Reinstall the Netflix app. If Netflix is still not working, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Go to the home screen, highlight the Netflix app, press the button on the Roku remote, and select Remove Channel. After that, go to the channel store, search for Netflix, and reinstall it. Reset your Roku device. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset on your Roku. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset, and follow the prompts. This will wipe your device, so make sure you have your login information for Netflix and any other apps ready to re-enter. By following these 8 steps, you should be able to get Netflix working again on your Roku. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and streaming guides.